Hello, my name is Abhijeet and I will be demonstrating to you the MSS software, an abbreviation for the mark saving system. As the name suggests, it is used to store and manage marks of students. Moreover, one can view statistics and even print the data and statistics to PDF format. The initial requirement is just an official Python installation which can be obtained from www.python.org for free. Now, let's have a look at the file structure. Now, the current folder holds my MSS program installation. You can see the MSS version 1.3.2 file. Now, double click it to see the file structure. You can see a variety of files and folders here. The MSS exports folder contains the exports that are being done by the program. User data folder contains the data of the user. Last 5 files.csv file contains the last 5 files that were used by the user in the program. MSS logo and startup logo files contain the logo for the folder program. MSS main file contains the main source code for the program. MSS program help.txt file contains the data that is being used by the program to provide help to the user, and this file should not be opened directly by the user. The readme file contains the necessary installation structures for the user. Start MSS file is the file that should be double clicked by the user to start the program. Now let's start the program. Now you can see as we click the start MSS file, the startup screen pops up and we press enter to continue. Now it is being written here that maximize your command window for best results. So let's maximize this window. Now let's have a look at the file menu. New file is used to open up a new file, O for open file, D for delete file, E to exit, and H for help. Help is very useful and you can see all the help instructions from here. Let's see what the result looks like. So enter H and you can see all the help results here. Getting started, terms and conditions of use, about and requirements for the program. Now let me make a new file. And to make a new file, enter class, say we enter 01, file name, monthly test, section A, maximum marks, say 100, description for the file, we can leave this, so we leave this, number of subjects, we want 2 subjects, English and Hindi. So you can see all the configurations for the file here, and you are introduced a prompt asking you, are you sure to make the file? So we say yes, and here the file is made successfully. Now remember the name of the file. To open the file, go to the open file menu, and here you can see to search the file, and last 5 files can also be seen here for your reference. Now let's search our file as we don't remember the name yet. As for searching, class name 01, we can leave blank parameters also, and you can see matching files are 01A, monthly test, and no description. So this is the file we made. Now let's open it up. At this point, I want to tell you that there are a variety of options also available here, and you are welcome to explore them on your own. Now let's open the file 01 and file name monthly test, and you can see the file data menu here, and this is the indication that the file is opened successfully. Moreover, if you want to ensure yourself the file is opened successfully, in this file menu you can see the option to view file and data configurations, that is 6. Now let's enter 6 and view the configurations. And you can see the file name is monthly test, and moreover you can see other configurations also. And here is the edit configuration menu, which can be used to add subjects, edit maximum marks, description, editing, order data by roll number, etc., which are very useful. The most important thing here is important roll number and names from an earlier file. Say you make a new file and you already have that names and roll number in an earlier file, and you can directly import them to here. Now let's go back. E for back. Other options can be explored by you on your own. Now let's add a student to the database. So here the option is 0 to add student, and 0 add student. Enter roll number. Say roll number is 1. Name of the student, say Abhishek. And you can see the message adding student, then process complete, check file, or view all data for the new student addition. Actually, you will get this type of messages all the time. Moreover, the program is tuned to hold your errors and help any crash. So don't worry while using the program. Let's view all the data. Way to view all the data, and you can see one entry is there, Abhijeet Verma, roll number 1, and marks of English and Hindi are null. Now let's edit the marks of these student. So 1 to edit marks of the student, 0 to edit marks, and the concerned subject is English. And next roll number is 1. So yes, actually at this point I want to tell you that this system is designed in such a way that it is convenient to feed the marks of students one by one. You will learn this when you use the program. So the next roll number is 1, and we press N according to the menu. Okay, enter your marks, say 70, and yes, we are done. And we can see the message no next roll number, so we are done at this point. E for exit, E for exit, and let's view all that data again. And yes, you can see the marks of English are fed here. There are a lot of other functionalities here which should be explored on your own, but I will be demonstrating how to export data and view statistics. But for that we need a greater amount of data, and I am going back to an earlier file that contains a lot of data compared to this. So let's go back, E for exit and O for opening new file, and we go through all that stuff again. 12, file name, you can see that file here actually. And yes, file data menu, that means the file is opened successfully. Now let's view all that data for our satisfaction, and here you can see all that data here. Now let me show you the statistics. Here you can see 4 to view statistics. Enter 4 and all the statistics is available here. Subject wise data, subject physics, class average marks, maximum scorer, minimum scorer, students below 25%, between 25 and 50%, and so on. And similarly you can see all the students, and it also shows attendance, absentees, and the number of students for which data has not been fed yet. And then if the whole column for the marks is empty, it says no data is available for the subject and subject name. You can see the list of absentees and students below 25%, which is very convenient in practice. You can explore these on your own when you get the software. Now let me show you how to export the data. 7 to export data. Are you sure? Yes, we are sure. Enter title or heading for the data. Result of monthly test October. So we have five subjects available. Do you want to export data for physics? Yes, 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 yes. You don't have to worry because the program is able to manage all your errors here. The maximum length of file is decided on the basis of the width of A4 size paper. Now, here we have options to export as text and PDF format. So let's export to PDF format because it comes handy when we want to export it so that we can view them on Android devices especially. So you can see the message data has been exported in this file name in the MSS export folder. Go and collect. You can cut or copy that data from there. So let's go back to that file and collect that file, MSS exports folder, and you can see this C12 monthly test October 2020 name here. Let's view it, and you can see this is printed to PDF format, all the data here and all the statistics available here and the mark saving system logo at the last. And that's how our program functions. So what are you waiting for? Go and get the program.